Hello students, so in the previous session we have completed exercise 12.1 and today we will discuss more applications of Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula we will solve some problems. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Here it is, the Kamala has a triangular field with sides 240 meter, 200 meter, 360 meter. That means Kamala is an farmer. Suppose Kamala is a farmer and she has a triangular field. Okay, so she has a triangular field of sides like this 360 meters. Suppose A, B, C is a triangular field. Okay, A, B, C is a triangular field with side 240, 200 and 360. Suppose this is 240. Suppose this is 200 meter and this is 360 meter. Clear? So she has a triangular field. Now continue reading. Where she grew wheat. So in this field she will grow wheat. Here, so wheat should be grown inside this closed surface or closed triangular space. Now in other triangular field, there is another triangular field with side 240, 320 and 400. Okay, whose side is 240, 320, 400. You can see there is a 240 meter side. Okay, so just near to this field, she has another triangular field. Okay, whose side is 240, 320, 400. 240, 320 and 400. Clear? So if this is another triangular field with side 246, this is the 240. Suppose this is 320 meter. Okay, and the longest side will be 400 meter. That is clear. She has two triangular field. Clear? So in one triangular field she will grow wheat, and in another triangular field having sides 240, 320 and 400 meter. Okay. See, adjacent to the previous field. Adjacent means just next to other. So this is the first triangular field. Just next to this field there is another field. That is why I am drawing the another field joining this two field. Now she wanted to grow potatoes and onions. So in this field, you will grow what and what? You will grow potatoes and onions. And in this field, you will grow wheat. Clear? Now, she divided the field in two parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side. See, in the first field she will grow wheat, but in the second field she has to grow two crops, potatoes and onions. That is why he divide this side or divide this triangular field. Okay, she divided it into two parts. How? She divided the field into two parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side. First find which is the longest side in this field. Which one is the longest side? This is 240, this is 320 and this is 400. So this is the longest side of this field. Now he has to find the midpoint. Suppose this is the midpoint. If it is the midpoint, then since it is the total 400 meter and this is the midpoint, okay, then the distance from this to this, suppose this is D. Suppose this is D. Then this distance is 200 meter and this distance is again 200 meter, isn't it? Because this 400 is divided into two parts, 200, 200. Suppose this is E. Okay. Now, what he will do? He divided the field into two parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side. This is the midpoint of the longest side to the opposite vertex. Its opposite vertex means just opposite to it. So its opposite vertex is C. So So C will join a point. So join these 2 points so that this total triangular field has been divided into 2 parts. You can see. Okay, clear? So in one of its parts, he grew potatoes and grew potatoes in one part. Suppose she will grow potatoes in this part and she will grow onion in this part. Here, now diagram is important here. You have to first understand the diagram. So, and onions in other part. How much area has been used for wheat, potatoes and onions? Okay, now you have to find the area of each triangular space or each triangular field. So, this triangular field, C has to grow wheat, and in this triangular field, C has to grow potatoes, and in this triangular field, C has to grow onion. Clear? Now, how you find that this part area, this part area and this part area? So, in order to find the area of the triangular field, you need A, B, C or the length of the sides. Suppose first we will finding area of this triangular field. A, B, C. Okay, finding area of triangle A, B, C. Okay, so this is our first target. So for this we need the length of the sides. See here, small a is how much? This is the small a because it's the opposite vertex. Front angle BC, that is 200 meter. Small b is, this is the capital B angle, front side is this AC, so 240, and small c is 360 meter. Okay, now ABC is found out. We have to find the perimeter. Perimeter formula is A plus B plus C. Okay, so 200 plus 240 plus 360 is equal to 32527 and 800 meter. Now you have to find S or the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter formula is perimeter by 2, SP by 2. So 800 by 2, that is after cancellation gives 400 meter. Hence S found out, A found out, B found out and C found out. Now we have to find the area in which C will grow what? Wheat. Okay, in this area C will grow wheat. So find the area. So area formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is 400 into S minus A. See, I am directly subtracting. S means 400 minus A means 200 into 400 minus B is 240 into 400 minus C is 360. Okay, then it's square root. Now 400 into 400 minus 200 is 200, then 160, and then simply 40. Okay, now you can find out the square root by individually factorizing them. Okay, I am factorizing as for my convenience, so I can write it as 40 into 10. 400 can be written as 40 into 10, and 200 one thing, 400 can be written as 4 into 10 into 10, because 10 10 is 100, 100 4 is 400, and 200 can be written as 4 into 5 into 10, see 4 5 is 20, 20 into 10 is 200, and 160 can be written as 4 into 10, okay, and this 40 can be written as 4 into 10. See, you can also factorize it, but for my convenience I factorize in the four terms of 10. So 400 is 4 into 10 into 10. See, 10 10 is 100 into 4 400, and this 4 5 is 20 into 10 200, 4 4 is 6 16 into 10 160, and 4 into 10 is 40. So now I am writing this here. See how many 4 are there? 1, 2. So for 2 4 you can write a single 4. For this 2 4 you can write a single 4 into. So this goes out, this goes out, this goes out, and this goes out. Now there is one more 4. So write it inside the square root into. Now you can see for this 210 you can write a single 10. For this 210 you can write a single 10. Clear? Now what remains? 5 and 10. So 5 and a single 10. Okay? Now we will write the result. 4 4 is 16, 10 10 is 100 into. Now this 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into, and 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Okay, so your final result is 1600. For this 2 2 you can take 1 2. For this 2 5 you can take 1 5, but this 2 remain inside the square root. So the final result is 5 2 is 100. 100 into 16, 1600 is 16000. Square root of 2 square meter or meter square. Hence the area has been found out. So we can say the area of triangle ABC in which Kamala has to grow wheat is 16000 square root of 2 meter square. So in this part she will grow wheat. Clear? Now the first target is completed. Now we have to find in which area or in how much area Kamala will grow potatoes and onions. Okay, so let's do that in the second page. Okay, so now we will find the second part where she will grow the potatoes and the onions. Okay, as you know, since she will grow potatoes here and onions here, so we need to find the area of this triangular field as well as area of this triangular field. That means area of triangle ADB and or ABD and area of triangle DBE. Here, since it is given that this is the completed triangular field. Okay, this is the complete triangular field, and this triangular field has been divided into two equal halves. Okay, by Kamala in order to grow potato and onion. That means this is the total area of the triangular field. So in this triangular field, what we have in triangular field ABE. Look carefully. In triangular field ABE, it is given that the sides are, this is 400 meter, this is 240 meter, and this is 320 meter. So if we can calculate the total area of this field, okay, suppose the total area is 400, suppose this is, and divide it into two equal halves, then in one half she will grow potato and in one half she will grow onion. Suppose the total area is 400 meters square, then divide in two parts, that is 200 and 200. That means in 200 meters square she will grow potatoes, and in another 200 meters square she will grow onion. That means we need to find the area of the total triangular field. Okay. If we will try to find the individual triangular field, then it is impossible. Why it is impossible? See, in this triangular field, though you have this side, but you don't have the length of this side. Okay, that is why you have to find the total area of this triangular field. Okay, so I am writing this in triangle ABE. ABE. You have small a. See, since this is the triangle and this is the capital A angle, its front side is B. So this is small a, that is 320. Okay, and small b, this is small b, this is the capital B, its front side is this AE. AE is how much length? 200 plus 200, that is 400. And the third side is, so this is the first side 320, this is 400, this is 240, and this side is known as what? Small c? No, its front angle is E, so you can write small e. Okay, so you have to keep in mind while writing small a, small b, small c or small e. So small e is 240. Clear? So the three sides has been given: 320, 240 and 400. Now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter is A plus B plus C. So 320 plus 400 plus 240. So it is 437 to 9, 960 meter. So perimeter is found out. Now you have to find the S. S means semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter formula is perimeter by 2. So 960 by 2, that is after cancellation, 2 4 8 2 8 0 480 meter. Now S has been also found out. SABE. All the four numbers or four terms are known to us. Now we can find the total area of this triangular field in which they will grow both potatoes and onions. So area of triangle ABE is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. No, S minus E. Okay. Now S means 480 into 480 minus A, 320 into 480 minus B, that is 400 into S minus E, 480 minus 240. Okay, you need to factorize it. So it will be, I am writing this from left. So 480 into 480 minus 320 is 160 into, this is 80 into 480 minus 240 is 240. Now you can do what? You can factorize each terms. First factorize 480. I will factorize it here. Okay. Since there is no space, so I am factorizing it here. 480 to 240 to 120 to 60 to 30 to 15 3 5 5 1 1 2 3 4 5 twos. So 1 2 3 4 5 twos, then a 3, then a 5 into 160. So now 160 can be written as 280, 240, 220, 210, 25, Find one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos and single 5. Then 80. Factorize 80. 240, 220, 210, 25. 5 1. See 4 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And last 240. 2, 120, 260, 230, 215, a 3 and a 5. 4 2, 4 to 1, 2, 3, 4, then 3 into 5. See how long it is. So you have to factorize each term. Okay. And now you can see for this 2 2, you can write a single 2 whole into. For this 2 2, you can write a single 2. Now for this 2 2, you can write single 2. For this 2 2, 1 2. For this 2 2, 1 2. Now here also 2 2, 1 2. Here 1 2. And here also 2 2, 1 2. Here also 2 2, 1. Okay, now all the 2's are being used. Now finding for 3. Here you can see 1 3. And here is 1 3. So you can write for 2 3, you can write 1 3. Now find for 5. This is first 5, second 5. So 1 5. Into. Here also 1 5, here also 1 5. 2 5. For 2 5 you can write 1 5. Now all the numbers are being used. You can see I am underlining all the terms. So all the terms have been used. So the final result is 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. Okay, 512 into 5 5 is 25 into 3, 75. Now multiply these two numbers. These two big numbers. 512 into 70, 5 5 to 10 0 1. 8 35 0 0 4 8 3. So the result is 38400. Okay, meter square. So this is the result. Okay, so the area of triangle ABE is 38400 meter square. Here. So the total area of triangle ABE, I am writing this here. Area is equal to 38400 meter square. That means in this area Kamala will grow both potatoes and onions. Okay, by joining them. But we need to find only the area in which she will grow potato and only the areas where she will grow onion. Since this total area has been divided into two equal halves. In one half she will grow potato and in other half she will grow onion. That means we can write, what we can write? See what we can write? We can write area of this triangle ADB. Triangle ADB. Where C will grow what? Potato. Okay, in this area, the area of this triangular space is half of total. The total is this and its half is divided is 38400 divided by 2 to 1 to 9 to 200 meter square. Clear? So in this area 19200 meter square she will grow potatoes, and the remaining area will be how much? Same 19200 meter square. Why? Because the total area has been divided into two parts by joining these two lines or 2 points. Clear? So you can write the area of triangle ADB where she will grow potato is this, and area of triangle BDE, where C will grow onion is similarly 19200 meter square. Now it is clear? So you can also verify whether my answer is correct or not by joining this two, by adding this two. You can add these two number. Okay, if this two number by addition give this, then it is correct.